Guess who? You miss me?
Wait. If it rains up out here on my one rain like this. What the spell kill me? Stop. If it rains up out here.
Derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derp.
Hold up.
This is my daughter's new car. How much do you spend for this again?
$900.
$900. What is it again? BMW what?
98, 540i.
540i. BMW 540i. It's a really clean car, dude. Like, the guy that owned this before took really good care of it. It's just the thing is somebody backed into it in a parking lot, I guess, and it damaged the hood. And it kind of bent the headlights a little bit, but I already straightened them out a little bit for her, like whenever she first got it. I don't know, I'm kind of jealous. This was definitely a come up, man. 900 bucks, and all you gotta do is throw a new hood and clean it up a little bit. It's got, I mean, it's got little, you know, it's got a little stuff, but this is a really clean car for $900. A lot of you guys has been here for a long time. You may have seen Haley before. Haley, come here.
I picked a wedgie in one of my videos. In one of your videos.
But she hasn't been on the channel in a long time. She actually lives with her mom now. She no longer lives with me. Dude, this kid's turning 18 in a couple of days.
3 days.
18. Do I look like somebody who has an 18-year-old child? I mean, seriously.
Yeah. I was like...
Yeah, her birthday's on Friday, so make sure to drop some comments below telling her happy birthday. She's been doing pretty good lately, and I'm proud of her. She's working, she's going to school, she bought herself now her second car that no one has helped her buy. You know, she's gotten it on her own. Needs a little bit of work, you know, but it is what it is, man. I'm actually jealous of the car. She listened to me finally, and she has insurance and tags on the damn car. Jesus.
Oh, we didn't even touch it. Oh my god.
God.
We didn't even touch it. You already...
That's fucking louder than the Mustang, bro. Voila. Jesus Lord, that thing is huge. So, last time she was over, all these clips that are on the headlights are all broken, so I just kind of made these little pieces to move them out so that they were actually straight. It didn't look as bad as they were. But yeah, the core support is pushed back just a little bit, like maybe like an inch, dude. Luckily nothing's crinkled, it's just slightly pushed back. So whenever she does get the new hood, for these latches right here to line up properly and the hood to be able to shut and open properly, we're gonna have to pull the core support forward just slightly, and then I'll have to redo this. But still, for 900 bucks, man, this car is pretty sweet. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm jealous. I told her if she didn't like it, I'll buy it from her. So, she asked me if I wanted to take it for a test drive. So, she asked me if I wanted to take it for a test drive. Alright, let's just chop that up to open diff, don't drift. The e-brake don't even work, man. I mean, it probably works for parking, but it, like, in movement, it won't lock up the back, so. Here you go. Runs good. I liked it. It was alright.
All right. That's all right.
Jesus, why is it so filthy? Alright, your car is done. You have officially been pimped. So get down.
I have no idea.
Toby! Man, I literally have gotten nothing done today, bro. I didn't have anything really much planned for today. But there is something on the hatch that I want to do right now because it's driving me freaking crazy. Raven!
Derpity derp 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 derp.
Check and see if there's anything else down here. It's got to come out. I'm really digging how much room there is down here now. I'm thinking diffuser. Nice. So look, man, I got a mess going on in here. There's a mess here, mess there, mess. But it's not out there in my workspace where it's messing with my OCD, so it's partially acceptable. This one. Dude, Jesus. Whew. That fumed it up in here a lot more than I expected it was going to. Jesus Christ. Dude, you guys will never guess what. It's right there. What the fuck? Right next to my house? It's right there. Right freaking there. I mean, doesn't this guy, maybe they know who I am. Maybe they know about the fucking Mustang stickers, bro. You don't think they're out to like get me, do you? Fuck. I think they're on to me, man. I think they're on to me, guys. So, if y'all don't see any videos after this, I don't know. Just pray for me, you know what I'm saying? Wish me luck. Dude, one of the things that have been driving me absolutely insane ever since the giveaway. I mean, that has to give it away, right? Mm-hmm. Yep. Dude, the hats just don't look the same without his fucking wing. You know what I'm saying? Dang, I should have been a rapper. I mean, at least I ain't mumbling. The car needs the freaking wing back on it. This is not the cool, fancy little one like the one that we did the giveaway with. This is my original one. And to be honest with you, I miss this one. I really like this one. This is the OG, bro. This is the very first one I ever made. It's filthy. I should be repainting it, but I'm not gonna paint it. Son of a bitch, but the rivets are black. Once they go black, they just don't ever come back.
sexy and I know it.
Can you smell it?
I'm not gonna like not put that in.
Redo.
So what do you think? Is it a thing of beauty? Is it marvelous? Is it magnificento?
Thanks.
No, the fucking car.
Oh, sorry.
Get out. Just get out. Now for a day that I really didn't have a damn thing to do, bro. For real, I had nothing to do. I enjoyed myself, man. I had fun. I most certainly hope that you guys had fun too. And if you did, please never fails. Yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. And if you didn't, maybe you need to lower your standards a little bit or something. You know what I'm saying? As far as the Civic, man, I need to get some parts, bro. I need to get parts and parts and more parts, and which cost money and money and more money. But it's gonna, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna figure out something. We're gonna get this figured out. What that I'm getting at right now is that I think on Friday's video, what I'm gonna do, now I hope this doesn't upset any of y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and introduce the new build, bro. On Friday, I'm gonna introduce the new build. I think it's time, dude. I think it really is time because there's so much that I can do to that right now that's not gonna cost me any money because I already have some stuff kind of stocked up for it. You know what I'm saying? But please smash the like button if you guys are excited for that. I hope that you are because I'm excited to get started on it. We're not gonna be off of the Civic for very long, I promise. I want to get some parts built up, bro. I'm tired of making these desperate videos. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm making desperate videos, like checklists and stuff like that. I want some actual content in the Civic. The Civic deserves it. You guys deserve some actual content on the Civic. And just, if I'm being honest with you, I don't have it right now. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be continuous with all this nonsense that I've been giving you. I need to build up some cash right now, and that's pretty much it, bro. So what's gonna get me through this little period is introducing the new build, man, because there's a lot we can do to that thing, and I'm excited for it. And I hope you guys like it, man. I really do hope that you guys like it. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. It's a whole nother world, bro. This car is a whole nother world. I know a lot of you guys already know what it is, but it's a whole nother world that I'm excited to kind of travel down because I've never experienced this rear-wheel drive tuning world. You know what I'm saying? I've always been into Hondas. Like I had a Camaro before, years and years ago. I had a Firebird, but they, you know, like this is something completely different. Peace. Nothing?
I see the Sharpie. Give it to me now. Give it to me.
It was my first time ever, dude. Don't tell your grandma.
Tell your grandma.